Hi guys, today I would like to introduce everyone a set of chain lawn mowers. Clean grass at the root and does not affect plant roots. The product includes one trimmer head installed with one chain, improves productivity maximum and efficiency for the user, especially when encountering rocks that do not cause splashes for workers. Absolutely safe to use, cut grass quickly and cleanly. Features of the product are durable and long-lasting, working 15 to 20 times more efficiently compared to conventional lawn mower blades. Is easy to install and suitable for all lawn mowers on the market. Carbon steel material, weight 0.5 kg. Products are manufactured according to European standards. The durability time fluctuates 6 to 8 months if mowing a lot. Chain diameter is 33 cm. What else is waiting for now? You should own this smart product right away. Order today to receive great promotion, free shipping, and see the goods before deciding to pay.